My name is Alejandro Sosa with Peña El Paso Realty Group. We are your dedicated new construction real estate experts right here in El Paso, Texas. Today we're looking at the Manhattan floor plan by Metro Homes. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home coming in at 1,987 square feet. It features a modern design with high ceilings and tile floors. The gourmet kitchen has a European-style cabinetry, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. It also comes standard with a wet bar and wine rack. If you like this home, have any questions, or want to see more, reach out to Peña El Paso Realty Group.